So between the short interest and the options open interest, there is something big coming for CEI, because if we go here and see the call options almost 14K, the put option is just 1K. So call options is mean people betting the price of CI will go up, and put options mean people betting for CI price will go down. Because if we go here as well, we can see that $1 is the most important call options people have interest in to buy. Here we have 31 of open interest, 31,000 compared to the other price $1.50, $2, you see, is less compared to the $1. As we said in technical, $1 is psychological level. However, call options and put options and short interest, this is kind of manipulated right now regarding with dark pool and naked shorting. So this is give favor for short sellers and hedge funds to manipulate the market. However, at least we get glimpse what's gonna happen and what's about to happen to CEI. The technical, we're still holding above the 0.70, and we're still kind of consolidating in this consolidation area, as we talked about before, accumulation area. And as we said, for most all call options, it would be exercised around the $1. So this is the squeeze area right now, and the support should be the 0.70. We saw even call options, mini call options around the 0.50. So right now this would be a technical area for Monday. So what we should expect for Monday, yes, you guessed it, we might see the price when the market open a spike to do double bottom here around the 0.70, and don't need any price close below the 0.70, because this will trigger the price go like parabolic down around the 0.52. However, if we hold here, this mean is still consolidating. Here is still consolidating. The more that we consolidate, the more the volatile the break for the $1 will be. As we talked about before, the 10K, this will give us a massive momentum to overcome the $1 and even gap above the $1.49, then the $2, where we're gonna see the second squeeze for CI price to go to the other profit taking that we're gonna do update for it before it happen. So right now we're still in accumulation area, and we broke from this triangle that we talked about before, and we predicted the test for the $1. However, we talked about it, we said we need a closing for our candle, but we got rejected twice, here around the 21st of March and here precisely around the 23rd of March, and the short seller won the game here. However, we're still holding above the 0.70. I will update you daily about CEI and the other stocks, so don't forget to hit the notification and join us in Patreon if you want to get alerted for pre-market update for a lot of stocks. So hopefully that was informative. As we said, be prepared, because CEI is about to do massive movement right now, because we're still holding above the 70. Any price holding above the 70 and consolidate, this is confirmed the accumulation. And when we have the 10K and the fundamental picture will be a bit of clear for CI, we're gonna have the price overcome the $1 and even maybe gap before the $1, as we saw from the call options level is really getting higher above the $1 or around the $1. A lot of call options will trigger the squeeze. We'll do update for this. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.